This morning it's rather mild. I mean, you don't need a jacket to get out there this morning, although it's a little drier. We're picking up a north wind after a weak frontal system came through last night. It also dropped a little bit of rain, but most of it was fairly light. Winds now are northwest. Now, while we're looking at somewhat cooler temperatures, we've got problems with fog. As a matter of fact, we're okay here in Nueces County, but just to the west in Live Oak County, Duval, all the way out into the Del Rio area, they've got a lot of fog out there this morning. So if you're driving beyond our counties, just keep that in mind. Otherwise, we're looking for a very interesting weather pattern over the next couple of days. Today, it's going to be warm. We're going to pick up a west wind and this fog will burn off and it'll be rather warm, up to about 77. There's that little rain band that came through last night. It really didn't amount to much, maybe about 1/100 of an inch of rain. You might notice that the cloud deck, the tap from the moisture in the Pacific has shut down. So once we've detached from that, the rain chances, of course, are minimized. That's why we didn't get as much rain as we could have. But there's front number one. Here's front number two. Front number three is way over here, and boy, are they all going to have something to do with your next 7 days. Now, we're going to zoom through this. You can see how the temperatures go up and down, obviously day and night. But this is Friday early in the morning, and you can see the freeze line basically coming down just to the panhandle and out into the west. Now, those of you that are going to be traveling for Christmas, remember, we're in South America here. We're as far south in America as you can go, and just know that everybody else is going to be much colder, so pack accordingly because it's definitely winter out there. Now, the storm that came through Texas last night is going to continue pulling away, so is this cloud deck. And today, a sunny, warm day. If you're trying to get a roof done, today's a good day. Tomorrow, it'll still be warm, but the cloud deck rolls back in as we get ready for the first, or actually the second front. This is on Friday night for us, and this looks like it will be bringing a little rain with it. Right about now, the ice and snow on this one is going to be way up here in the San Angelo area, up toward Midland, Odessa. At this point in time, no ice is expected with this second front. It's beyond that, I'm calling it the Christmas Eve front, that might actually get us some icy stuff. Now, again, very warm, very breezy today, out of the south tomorrow. Frontal system number one comes in late Friday night, drops the temperature for Saturday, and the stormy weather will be early on Saturday. Late in the day, it does begin to clear out a little bit, but look at the high temperature, only 63. Front number two, Christmas Eve, will really come with a strong north wind, and then on Christmas Day, we're dropping down to 37 in the morning, only 52 is the high, so it's going to be quite chilly, and Tuesday and Wednesday as well, overnight lows in the 30s. At this point in time, we're going to say mostly cloudy, very minimal any kind of precipitation, but let's just say when it gets down to the 30s, we got to worry for two things: icy roads and possibility of any kind of precipitation that falls out of that would be that kind of icy precipitation. So we'll be watching it for you. That's your forecast for the next 7 days.